Today we have a 2019 Honda Civic Si. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear brake pads. I have a low profile jack, and I'm going to jack it up. Look here. You see? Okay, right there. Okay, so after you remove the tire, you're gonna find this right here. Right? You're gonna remove this one and this one first. You have these little clips. This little. You got here. You gotta remove. Then, inside here, there's some screw. You're gonna use a T45, just like this one. And you're gonna remove these screws in here. Make sure it's in. You got one of these, it's easier. Make sure it's in, lock it in, and that should be it. You see? After removing those two screws, you're gonna pull this out. These have these two clips right here. And you need to remove those two clips. Just pull them out. You see? After that, you just pull this out. You see? That's the way here. Oh, you see? It's not bad. So now, we will need to unplug this right here. Now you see these screws right here, behind here. You will need a size 5. Let's see if I could get you to see it. You see, just like that. You're gonna put it in here. And you're doing the same thing. Just got one here, and you got one on the other side. Back here on the bottom. You're gonna loose those up. After you remove those two, you're gonna put this back. This is going to be looking like this, and this will be looking like that. You're going to put this on the side. You're going to have this here. Now, you need to twist this to the right, I think it is. No, to the left. So you can put the piston back in. I use an 8mm socket. It goes right in. And you just gotta twist it into the piston, go back in. So you twist this. I got one of those. You could just place it here and screw it back in. And that thing will lightly, slowly go back in. Look. You gotta screw that all the way to the other side. You see that? Coming back. So you gotta put it back the other way. You can just screw it here. You see? Look how this thing goes in. And you put it in all the way. This is your two bags. Remember, this one with this piece right here and that one always goes on the back. And this one is on the front. Like that. You see? That's all the way. But before you put it in there, you gotta mount this piece back up again. That is this one. I always like to put this little bit of grease on the inside. So next time you gotta do it, it'll be easier. And back in there again. You need to tie them, but not too tight. Because that's plastic and you could break it. This is should go by hand. When you do that, you make sure everything looks good, and you just replace it back up again. Boom. Okay. Boom. Put it back up. Make sure it's nice and neat there. And goes all the way. You see that spring right there? Just press it down and then, whoop, back on it again. This one you need to tie it a little bit more. Don't forget to put this at the end. Plus, don't forget to put the new pin. See, you're gonna put it here first, and then the other one, you see, you're gonna grab it here, put it here, just make sure it's there. And that's how it looks at the end, you see? Everything's on. Okay, after you put your brake sack, make sure everything is tight. Make sure everything, hold up. You're gonna turn the car on, you see? You see the brakes? You're gonna turn your car on, and you're gonna pull this 3 times. One, 2, and 3. You hear that? After that, your brake should be good. Brake should be good here and good there. So that's it. Subscribe to the channel for more, and see you in the next one.